Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video I'll show you how to switch between desktops in Windows 11 so you can manage multiple workspaces easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. Go to the taskbar and click the task view icon. It looks like two overlapping rectangles and lets you see all open windows and desktops. This feature helps you manage multiple desktops in Windows 11. Step 2. When Task View opens, look at the top of the screen to see the available desktops. Each desktop appears as a small preview so you can quickly identify them. This helps keep different tasks organized. Step 3. Click on the desktop you want to switch to. Windows 11 will immediately open that desktop and show the apps running on it. This makes switching between workspaces quick and easy. Step 4. If you want another workspace, click the plus new desktop button. Windows will create a new empty desktop where you can open new apps. This is useful for separating different tasks. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech videos.